We are back for a site visit. Handover is only a few days away, so let's go check out this completed custom home. All right, guys, love this time. We're only a few days away from handing over these clients their home, and we're here at the front. What I'll do, we'll flip the camera. I want to walk you around a little bit, show you a few things. Let's do it. Driveway, complete. I'm not going to go into too much detail, a lot of things today, guys, just a bit of a walkthrough. Front door, weather shield. Gotta have it, gotta have it, gotta have it. Let's do it. One of the things I do want to mention when it comes to lights, you know, making sure that your lights are all in line. Things need to be uniformed, down lights. We did cover wall niches on a couple of site visits ago, so keep an eye out for that one. Look at those beautiful bifold doors. One of the things I wanted to point out in today's site visit was these awesome stacker doors, not bifolds, awesome stacker doors. 3 stacking that way and then 3 stacking that way, 6 combined. That thing looks amazing. It's definitely, guys, large as you can go with your doors. Coming in to this open plan living, awesome kitchen. Sorry for the echo, and it is a little bit dark. Lights are not finalised just yet, but you can see this amazing looking kitchen. I don't know why they're trying to focus. Got the 40mm drop edge. Sorry, thinking about some stuff. Got the 40mm waterfall Caesar stone, awesome walk-in pantry with the 900 appliances. Amazing stuff. You want to see, you know, one of the things I always talk about is having a small vanity. So you can see here, this is the powder room. So it's always good, you don't want to make sure people that they don't have to go into the bathroom to kind of wash their hands. So making sure that you have a separate tap and a bit of just a small little vanity there, just enough to wash your hands makes a big difference. All right, guys, so a bit of a walkthrough of the handed house. It's about to be handed over. Just wanted to finish up on this awesome stacker doors. One tip, when you can see the kitchens here right behind. If you can have a setup like this where you're standing at your kitchen as the front door goes off, and yes, it is actually jammed. So it's been going off quite a lot. Lucky it's the first time it's gone off in the video. That is getting fixed. So let's hope it doesn't go off again. If you can have the stacker doors, something like that, you know, right next to your kitchen, this feels amazing. It lets all that outside coming in as the front door goes off again. You know what, let's check it out. How cool is that for a screen? You get to see them straight away. We've got to get that sorted. All right, guys, thanks for joining me for today's site visit. If you know anyone who's going to be interested, tag them in the comments below. I'll see you next time for the site visit.